Hi, and welcome to QLabTutorial.com. My name is Justino Zoppe, and I'm the guy that's going to teach you all the ways to use Qlab to take your show to an entirely new level. And I'm not just some guy that's going to teach you how to drag and drop an audio track into your workspace from my living room. I'm sure there's some kid on YouTube that can do that already. I'm going to teach you how to use it in a real-world theater environment, where no two theaters are ever the same, and how to set up your workspace to quickly adapt to each venue while on tour. When you possibly only have an hour to set up your entire show, and then try to quickly teach the sound tech, spotlight operators, and lighting tech all your show cues all before the house opens, and then pray they don't screw it up. Oh yeah. And I'm going to teach you how to eliminate doing a tech rehearsal ever again. Never having to teach any cues to anybody or rely on any stage staff, completely eliminating mistakes. All while your audio, video, and lighting cues fire in perfect sync.